G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, the Winton area. The material's quite hard, so the parent rock will polish up quite nice. I've really just priced it on this one piece. Little stone here, it's got a crack through there. There's a seam here, so you should be able to cut another stone off the end here and another little triangular stone there, and perhaps something up on this end. See the bar colour through there, nothing else in it. And these bits I just threw in because they were offcuts. Got a little bar through here, doesn't look like there's a lot of colour in it though. And this one's got a nice bright flash in here. It's showing through there, runs around, so you end up with a triangular stone about that size, I'd imagine. Maybe. How good it's going to be I don't know, but anyway, like I said, I've basically thrown the three together. Cheers!